I am risking that. Like, the tide's coming in rapid. But no, I know it, like, it curves off up there as well. So it doesn't always come in a straight line. It never comes in a straight line. But them surfers are having an absolute ball. Swear to God, I wish I was out there. I so wish I was out there, man. Still trying to find the zoom on this fucking camera. I'm not having I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit of a ball ache, but you know, God loves a trier. I've yet to see if this microphone is any good as well, so we shall see when we get back home to the mad fucking lab.